guys, and welcome back to my channel Just 365 Stories. So today we are weaving a big willow granny square. Here I have chosen a light blue colored yarn and it's an acrylic yarn for my project, and I am using a 4 mm crochet hook. So here first of all I am proceeding towards doing a magic ring, and for doing that I have first did a slip stitch onto my hook. Then I have chained 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains are now there on my hook, and I'll be slip stitching into the first chain. So here is our magic ring. Yes, you can see it. And now we will be chaining 3 stitches. So 1, 2 and 3. So these 3 stitches on my hook, this we will be considering as our first double crochet. Yes, and we have to do 15 more double crochets onto this magic ring. So for doing that we'll be yarning over, pulling up a loop from the middle portion of that ring, then yarning over again, passing through first 2 loops and then through second 2 loops. Now we are having 2 double crochets, counting the first 3 stitches as our first double crochet. Now we are proceeding towards our third double crochet, and here we complete it. Now we are proceeding towards our 4th double crochet, and for doing that we'll be yarning over, passing our hook through the middle portion, pulling up a loop and then passing through first 2 loops and then yarning over and passing through second 2 loops. And here is our 5th double crochet. And remember, if you ever have problem like I had now, you always have the option to go back. Just remove your stitch whatever you have on your loop, and you can pull up your thread and fix wherever and whenever you want. So here we are continuing with our double crochets, and here is our 8th double crochet. So here is our 9th one, and we will be continuing our double crochets till we reach 16 double crochets. So here is our 10th one, and I'll be pulling up a loop, passing through first 2 loops and then second 2 loops, and the 11th double crochet. And if you ever face difficulty, you can always pause the video and see. Basically I am just repeating one stitch for 16 times by passing through the same middle circle, and we are just approaching towards our finishing point, and we already have so many loops. You always have to keep counting that how many stitches we have already completed and how many more are there to go. So here is my 15th double crochet. I hope you have not lose your count. So here is my 15th double crochet and the last one into the ring. With this I complete my 16th double crochet, and see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 stitches onto our magic ring. And to complete our round 1, we will be just doing a slip stitch to the 3rd stitch, and for that I'll be sewing 1 and then the 2nd and the 3rd. And yes, here we have to do a slip stitch. For doing that I am inserting my hook into the stitch, and then I am just yarning over, and I'll be passing this loop onto the loop that already I had on my hook. So with this we have come to the end of our round 1 of the Willow Granny Square, and meet you in the second video where I'll be showing you what we are gonna do in round 2 of the Willow Granny Square. Till then, take care, love you all, bye bye.